Some cars do more than just exist. They define an entire era. They represent the technology, culture, and dreams of the time in which they were created. These cars are not just machines built for transportation. They are symbols of progress, creativity, and ambition. When they were first introduced, they showed the world something new. They introduced new ideas, new designs, and new ways of thinking about performance and driving. They influenced how people saw cars, not just as tools, but as expressions of identity and personal freedom. These cars often became part of everyday life. People saw them in movies, on television, in magazines, and on the streets. They became connected to important memories, family road trips, first drives, and special moments. They were present during important periods of cultural and technological change. Because of this, they became more than just vehicles. They became part of history. They also inspired future generations of engineers and designers. Many modern cars exist because of the ideas introduced by these legendary vehicles. Their innovations influence safety, performance, aerodynamics, and design. Even decades later, their influence can still be seen in modern automotive engineering. Their shapes, technologies, and concepts continue to inspire new creations. This made the car look futuristic and completely different from anything else on the road. But the 300 SL was not just about appearance. It was also one of the fastest production cars of its time, proving that performance and innovation could exist together. Its lightweight design and advanced engineering allowed it to deliver impressive speed and handling. It became a symbol of engineering progress and post-war innovation. It showed that cars could be both beautiful and technologically advanced. Even today, the 300 SL still looks modern and inspiring, representing a moment when automotive design entered a new era. The Mini Cooper, 1961, completely changed how people viewed small cars. Before the Mini Cooper, small cars were often seen as basic transportation, with little excitement. The Mini Cooper proved that small cars could be fun, stylish, and enjoyable to drive. Its compact size made it perfect for city driving, while its lightweight design and excellent handling made it exciting on any road. It became popular with young drivers, racers, and even celebrities. It also achieved success in motorsport, proving that small cars could compete with larger and more powerful vehicles. The Mini Cooper represented individuality, creativity, and freedom. It became a cultural icon of the 1960s. Even today, its design remains recognizable and continues to influence modern cars. The Audi Quattro, 1980, introduced a completely new approach to performance and stability. Before the Quattro, most performance cars used rear-wheel drive, which could lose traction in difficult conditions. Audi introduced its advanced all-wheel drive system, which improved traction, stability, and control. This allowed the car to perform well in all weather conditions, including rain and snow. The Quattro became extremely successful in rally racing, where it demonstrated its superior performance. Its success influenced the entire automotive industry, and many manufacturers began using similar systems. The Quattro showed that technology could improve both performance and safety. It became a symbol of innovation and engineering progress. Even today, all-wheel drive systems remain an important part of performance cars. The BMW M3, 1986, defined a new category of performance cars. Before the M3, high performance was usually limited to exotic sports cars. BMW created something different. They built a car that offered both performance and practicality. The M3 delivered precise handling, strong acceleration, and everyday usability. It allowed drivers to experience sports car performance in a practical vehicle. It quickly became popular with driving enthusiasts. It also achieved success in motorsport, proving its engineering excellence. The M3 showed that performance could be part of everyday driving. It influenced future performance cars and became a symbol of balance between performance and practicality. The Mazda MX-5 Miata, 1989, revived the idea of the lightweight sports car. At a time when many vehicles were becoming heavier and more complex, the Miata focused on simplicity and driving enjoyment. Its lightweight design, balanced handling, and responsive steering made it extremely enjoyable to drive. It did not rely on extreme power. Instead, it focused on creating a connection between the driver and the road. This made driving feel more personal and engaging. The Miata became one of the best-selling sports cars in history. It proved that driving enjoyment did not require extreme speed or power. It represented a return to pure driving experience and inspired future sports cars. The Lexus LS400, 1989, redefined what people expected from luxury cars. Lexus introduced a vehicle that offered exceptional comfort, smooth performance, and outstanding reliability. It was designed with incredible attention to detail. The interior was quiet and refined, and the ride was extremely smooth. It showed that new manufacturers could compete with traditional luxury brands. The LS400 changed the luxury car market by raising expectations for quality and reliability. It became a symbol of modern luxury and engineering precision. The Dodge Viper, 1992, brought back a level of raw performance that many people believed was disappearing. At a time when most cars were becoming more comfortable and easier to drive, The Viper took a completely different approach. It was designed to be powerful, aggressive, and emotionally intense. Under the hood was a massive V10 engine that produced enormous power, giving the car incredible acceleration and speed. But what made the Viper truly special was its simplicity. It had very few electronic systems to assist the driver. There was no advanced traction control or complex stability systems in the early versions. This meant the driver had to rely on skill and focus. Driving the Viper required confidence and respect. It created a direct and honest connection between the driver and the machine. The aggressive design, wide stance, and bold appearance made it impossible to ignore. The Viper became a symbol of American performance, showing that power and emotion were still at the heart of automotive passion. The Nissan Skyline GTR 1999 became one of the most respected and admired performance cars ever built. It represented a perfect balance between power, technology, and control. The GTR was equipped with advanced engineering systems that helped improve traction, handling, and stability. These systems allowed the car to perform at a very high level while remaining predictable and controllable. Its powerful engine delivered impressive acceleration, while its advanced drivetrain helped transfer that power efficiently to the road. What made the GTR special was its intelligence. It used technology not just for speed but for precision. Drivers felt confident pushing the car to its limits. The GTR quickly became famous around the world, earning respect from enthusiasts and engineers alike. It showed that performance could be improved not only through power, but also through smart engineering. It became a symbol of technological innovation and performance excellence. The Pagani Zonda 1999 proved that passion and craftsmanship could create something truly extraordinary. Unlike large manufacturers with massive resources, Pagani was a small company driven by vision and creativity. The Zonda was designed with incredible attention to detail. Every surface, material, and component was carefully crafted. The design was dramatic and artistic, combining beauty with performance. Its powerful engine delivered incredible speed, but the Zonda was more than just fast. It was emotional. The sound, the design, and the driving experience created something unique. It showed that a car could be both a performance machine and a work of art. The Zonda became a symbol of artistic engineering. It proved that innovation and passion could compete with even the biggest automotive companies. The Tesla Roadster 2008 marked a turning point in automotive history. Before the Roadster, electric vehicles were often seen as slow, boring, and limited. Tesla changed that perception completely. The Roadster showed that electric cars could be fast, exciting, and desirable. It delivered instant acceleration thanks to its electric motor, which provided immediate power. This created a completely new driving experience. The Roadster also showed that electric vehicles could be practical and usable in the real world. It proved that the future of performance did not have to rely on traditional gasoline engines. The Tesla Roadster became a symbol of innovation and change. It helped inspire the modern electric vehicle movement and showed that new technology could redefine performance. These cars defined their era because they introduced new ideas and changed expectations. Each one represented a breakthrough in performance, design, or technology. They showed that innovation could come from bold decisions and creative thinking. Even today, their influence can still be seen in modern vehicles. They remind us that the automotive world is always evolving, driven by passion, ambition, and the desire to create something extraordinary.